design chart. Very important because the person designing the software can now assign parts of the system to different teams. Maybe they're remote. And they can also start developing test cases, which will be used later to actually verify the unit code right at the microprocessor level. This is one of the, again, they're all important, but here is where the testing phase almost begins because this is where the test cases come from. Software design description, that's where we're just talking about how the plan is going to move forward, that the whole team is moving forward in the same environment, working with the same tools, and starting again to use that, all of that information coming out of the architecture and the requirements to create traceability. The environment, these are things, everybody has different environments. We use right now, we're in a doors environment, and there's all sorts of tools out there for bug tracking and things like that. Whatever works best for you, but you have to do it. If you don't know that you're tracking bugs from the beginning, you have to show that the process was done and that you've used, we use off-the-shelf tools to do the final testing and the unit testing. But what we also do is we have our own in-house tools that we use to make that even more efficient. We've been doing this for a long time, so we've come up with some shortcuts that keep safety in mind but make the process more efficient because it is a very costly process.